Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to play the game Snake Clash for beginners. So the general idea for this game is to collect points, level up your character, that will make your snake longer, and also that will allow you to eat other characters. You have 1 minute and 20 seconds to do this in, so you're timed. So the idea is to get as big as you can in as little as time as possible. So if we play a game, as you can see, I'm eating players that are smaller level than me. Yeah, a snake that is higher level than you will not be able to eat. You can only eat snakes that are lower level than you. So I'm actually doing very good. Yeah, I got attacked by a snake higher level than me, so I lost. But that's the general idea of the game. Make sure you fully use the features around the map. There are boosts around the map. You can get prizes around the map. Yeah, make sure you don't hit the walls and try to get as high as level as you can. Each time you play, you get more points, more gems, etc. like that. You can spend your money on skins, upgrades, many things like that. So like here, we can upgrade our levels at the bottom. We have challenges here, which will give us more money and earn us really good rewards. And on talent, we can upgrade our snake, increase things like XP gain, speed, and increase feeding range, and things like that. So yeah, that's how you play Snake Clash. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.